Hello everyone, welcome to our math channel, Math Bridges. In this video, we are going to see how to find the square of a number ending with 5. This is part B, and in part A, the previous video, we have seen how to find the square of a two-digit number. Now let's start finding the square of a number ending with 5. Let's consider one example. This is very easy trick. 25 square. Only two steps we will be doing to find the square of this number. The first step, consider this 2. Now, the number which comes after 2 or the successor, next number of 2, what comes after 2? It is 3. Now, you multiply both these digits, 2 into 3. How much it is? 6. Now, the final step, second step, consider the 5. In the ones place what is given? 5 5s are 25. You write it here. That's it. 25 square is 625. Very easy. Only in two steps you will get the answer. Now one more example. 35 square. So consider 3 first. The number that comes after 3. After 3 is 4. Multiply both these numbers. 3 into 4 is 12. Write it over here as given. 3 into 4 is 12. Now consider 5. So 5 5s are 25. Write 25 over here. That's it. So 35 square means 35 into 35 is 1225. It's a very easy shortcut. Now let's see one more example. 55 square. First step, consider this number. What comes after 5? It is 6. Multiply. 5 6 are 30. Write it over here. Second step, 5 5s are 25. That's it. 3025. 55 into 55 is 3025. One more example. 75 square. We'll follow the same method. 7. What comes after 7? 8. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. Now next step, 5 5s are 25. You observe here in the ending last two digits always it will be 25. So 75 square is 5625. Now let's consider one more example. It is 105 square. If you observe here, you can see 105 is a three-digit number. So now let's consider 10. What comes after 10? It is 11. So you multiply both these numbers now. 10 into 11. It is 110. This is the first part of your answer. Now go back 5 5s are 25. That's it. This is the final answer. The product is 105 into 105 is 11,025. Let's see one more example. Now 995 square. It's again a three-digit number. So consider 99 now. What comes after 99? 100. So multiply this two digits, 99 into 100. It's very simple. As two zeros are there, we will take it as 9900. 9,900. And the last two digits, 5 5s are 25. That's it. This is the product. So 995 square is 990025. Very easy, isn't it? Now see one more, 15 square. So as usual, first number, this one, circle this number. Other than 5, you can observe here, other than 5 from the units place, remaining numbers, digits we are considering. What comes after 1? 2. So multiply, 1 2s are 2. Now 5 5s are 25. So 15 square is 225. Now let's try few examples. You can give it a try. If you want, you can take a book and pen, or else you can do it in your mind also and check your answer. Let's start. First one, 85 square. You can start. First, 8. What comes after 8? 9. Yes, 8 9s are 72. 5 5s are 25. Are you doing? And check your answers also. So 85 square is 7,225. Next one, 45 square. Other than 5, start with that number 4. What comes after 4? 5. 4 5s are 20. And last 5 5s are 25. Last two digits always it will be 25. 45 square is 2025. Next one, 95 square. So other than 5 is 9. What comes after 9? Question to yourself whenever you are doing 9. After number is 10. So 9 tens are 90, the first part. Next 5. 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So 95 square is 9025. It's very, very easy. You can do it in fraction of seconds. Without book and paper also, you can, just by looking at the numbers, you can do it in your mind. See, by looking at all these examples, we can derive one formula. N into, consider this to be as into, instead of writing it as x, I have taken star, n into n plus 1. This slash I have given a 25. What does this mean? This means put together all these numbers and write. I'll show you with an example. Consider 75 square. In this, we will consider 7 to be as our n, small n. If n is 7, n plus 1 will be 8, the next number. So 7 into 8 we are doing. 7 into 8 is 56 and 5 5s are 25. This red color bar, small lines what I have taken means you have to combine both the numbers and write. So you can consider this formula for any number of digits which are ending with 5. The condition should be that number should end with 5. You can take it as 13785 into 13785. Any number you can consider. So n into n plus 1 bar 25. Now I have written few examples like this. In your copybook, you can write it in this method. How many squares you want to give it a try, you can write it and you can check your answers. 15 square, 25 square. Instead, see 2 into 3, 6 you can write here. 5 5s are 25. 35 square, 3 into 4. Next number I am writing on the top. So it becomes very easy for you to practice the squares of a number ending with 5. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.